So I guess all my cars just don't want to start for me now. Great. Yep. Nothing, bro. Literally nothing. So it's not the battery. Well, guys, Sable signing out. Not my greatest parking job.
Man.
But
noticed I have a headlight out.
yep.
Damn it.
At least you have a car. All right, guys, time to go take the bus and walk to AutoZone to get that starter. Oh, okay, so via bus and train, I found that my best bet is actually the third closest AutoZone, which only requires about 18 minutes of walking. Oh, there goes my train. So once I catch the next one in 15 minutes, I only need to walk 18 minutes in total, whereas the other ones were like 25, 30, whatever. Let's just hope starters are not that heavy. All right, so this is going to be an adventure. It's my first time ever doing anything to my car. I just bought a new toolkit. I'm going to be replacing the starter, which of course in my car is underneath the freaking car. The starter's there. Probably shouldn't have it out and open. It's a little rainy today, so don't want that to be a problem. I'm going to grab my Haynes manual. Maybe this should come in handy. Let's see what we can do. Let's find the starter. Starter. 3 through 7. It's like the Bible, the way that they have this line laid out. 3-7. Oh, there it is. Ooh, here we go. Starter. Let's go. Now we're cooking. Nice. One. Wow, look at me. I'm a full-blown mechanic. Here comes the fun part. Yeah. Yeah. There it is, I think. Okay. Now what? If I turn my neck, I will choke myself to death from the stupid plastic bit. Oh, I just got a mouthful of... Oh, God. Car undersight. How am I looking? Oh, boy. Handyman, piston pigeon. Kinda a legend. I noticed when I was unscrewing the battery, this is kind of not like exactly touching. It's still not exactly. I think that piece of metal is a little bit bent. So I really ratcheted it down tight. I got rid of some of the corrosion. I'm like, you know what? Just to double check. Let's test it. What can I say, dude? Kind of a master mechanic. 180 bucks I just saved. Let's go. So yeah, if anyone needs, any mechanic work done, I'll come to you with one of these. I won't even charge you. I'll just tighten it up, get it running. I got you guys, bro. Got you guys. Already a mechanic, bro. What can I say? My hands are already dirty. Actually, they're not. I just cut it. But other than that, I'm there, bro. Easier than I thought.